Are you a small creator and you have been struggling to grow your channel? You have been watching series of videos from gurus on how to grow your channel, jumping from one setting to the other, and your channel remains the same. When are you going to stop and do what is necessary and what is needed for that your channel to grow? In YouTube space, there is nothing like luck. You don't have luck in YouTube space. It's hard work that translates to success. If you don't have 1,000 subscribers, your channel cannot be monetized. And if you have 10 subscribers, you don't expect to have 1,000 views in your content immediately. You grow it gradually. And one thing that kills YouTube channels is lack of consistency and frustration. Immediately you get frustrated, you will leave the YouTube industry. It will now become frustrating to you. Why you see people making whole lot of videos, being happy, creating content, while you are being frustrated because you are putting high expectation. You are not putting in the work, but you want to reap. That is reaping where you did not sow. I have made a complete guide on how to grow your channel, even if you are starting from zero. How to grow your channel. Our first 1 month challenge. Join this challenge. In 1 month time, you will thank yourself you did. If this sounds interesting to you and you want to grow your channel organically, you don't want to follow this bandwagon, this creator, this big YouTuber. You want to grow your own channel and be consistent. I'm telling you that the only way you can grow in this YouTube space is not being perfect, is being consistent. If you're not consistent, you can never grow your channel. You will be fizzled out. But if you're consistent, every other thing will fall in place. And how do you measure your consistency? You cannot say you're consistent in a business that you handle the business for 1 month and you think you're consistent in that business. Those that made it in business, they put a whole lot of their energy and effort and strategy in those businesses. When they are falling, they find a strategy that will make them grow. So if you want to grow in YouTube space, you have to take it serious and make the same sacrifice. Bring out your 1 month, bring out your 2 months, bring out your 3 months. At least give it a 6 months trial and see if every other thing will not fall in place for you. If this sounds interesting, I want you to follow this video here. Join this video and it will take you exactly to this our 1 month challenge. After the monthly challenge, by then you have built yourself. You will now learn how to be consistent and create more content. You will see your content and your channel begin to grow like those big creators that you'll be watching. Your channel will grow exactly like them. This is exactly the step you are in today, but they are not reaping it. But when they bring out those their teachings, it will look as if you do what they are doing now, you will get to where they are now immediately. You cannot tell me that you want to grow in YouTube space and you're expecting to watch a video and do this setting and that setting, and immediately you're having 1,000 subscribers. That is a lie from the pit of hell. If you want to grow your channel, you have to take your channel as serious as you're taking your business. Make it your business. Even if you're coming in as a part-time, make it as a business. Map out a plan and strategy. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. At least give it a 6 month trial and see if your channel will not change from where you are today to where those gurus are teaching you. You can never jump to success. Success is a gradual thing. You only become successful if you plan. I have made a video, 1 month YouTube challenge, and I want you to join if you're a small creator and you want to grow your channel. In this video, we teach you exactly how to be consistent, what to do and what not to do. what we have tried for 2 years and we failed, and why we are changing, and what is now working for us. I'm inviting you to join this challenge, and you will thank yourself after the month, after that 1 month challenge. You will thank us for joining. Follow this link and join the video. You will thank yourself for doing so.
Subscribe to Simpleif Lab. Let's grow together. Stay simple, stay winning.